Hello everyone, this is my review of the Tapsi Rainbow Heavy Duty Double-Sided Clear Tape. This tape has multi-purpose use, which I'm going to show you some of those a little bit later. It comes with a resealable Ziploc bag that you can store the tape in to keep it preserved. One roll of tape is about 10 feet, and you can see the thickness of it here. And you have these color bands on here that's each color band is 0.5 inches, so you can use those bands to measure out the length that you want. The tape is also reusable. You can actually wash it off and reuse the tape, and I will show you that. I'll be reusing the same piece of tape several times, but right now I'm using their color bands to measure out a piece that I want. Okay, I'll be using this single piece to demonstrate how this tape works. Just find the surface you want to stick the tape onto and press it down for about 5 to 10 seconds so it could adhere. Then you just peel the back off of it and stick something else on to it. Now I'm going to reuse the same piece of tape and I'm going to stick a glass jar onto it so you can see how strong it is and how reusable it is as well. As you can see, I'm not holding it and it stays on there quite firm. And you can shake it and tap it and it still stays on there, so it has a really good adhesive to it. And this is like the second thing I have attached to it, but I'll show you more. I'm going to remove the adhesive from the wood and show you that it doesn't leave a residue as well, so you can use it anywhere on your walls and stuff and not have to worry about residue being left behind by the tape as well. Now I'll do a quick wash of the tape, then reuse it after it dries. I like that you can use this tape on multiple surfaces like ceramic tile, metal, glass, plastic, and wood, even marble. So it's a pretty versatile tape. This is the same tape I'm reusing that I just washed. It's a little bit shorter because a piece of it broke off, so I just used the bigger piece. And now I'm washing it again. This is the second time I'm washing it, and I'm going to reuse it outside. I'm using it here on my mailbox, and you can see how sticky it still is. You can get a lot of great uses out of this tape, especially since you can reuse it, clean it off, and use it again. So I hope this review helps.